In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a clickable Gmail signature in Canva for social media links. To get started, you are going to open Google Contacts in your web browser. The easiest way is to go to your Google Apps menu from Gmail and choose Contacts, or you can type Google Contacts into the address bar and open the official page. Make sure you are signed in to the same Google account you use for Gmail, because this is where your contact data will be stored. Once Google Contacts is open, look to the left-hand menu. This sidebar is where you manage your contact list and bring information in from other sources. Find and click the option that says Import. This is the tool you use when you have a list of contacts saved somewhere else, such as a spreadsheet or another email platform, and you want to add them to your Google Contacts quickly and accurately. After you click Import, a small window will appear prompting you to upload a file. Click Select File. This will open a file picker on your computer so you can browse to where your contacts file is saved. You will want to choose a CSV file, which is a common format used for contact lists. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it is designed to keep information like names, email addresses, and other contact fields organized in a way that Google Contacts can read. Select your CSV file, then confirm your choice so it attaches to the import window. Take a quick moment to verify you selected the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. When you are ready, click Import. Google Contacts will then process the file and add the contacts to your account. Depending on how large your list is, this may take a few seconds. After it finishes, you should see your newly imported contacts appear in your contact list. If anything looks off after the import, such as missing fields or unusual formatting, it usually means the columns in the CSV were not labeled or arranged in a way Google recognizes. In that case, you can adjust the CSV and import again. And that is all there is to it.